Hello, beautiful soul. If you use waiting rooms for your Zoom meetings, I want you to turn on the sound notifications so that you don't miss anyone who is entering your Zoom meeting and they're not having to wait too long. If you want to learn how to do that, it's super simple to do. I'm going to share my screen and show you how. You're taking a look at my Zoom screen, and I am going to open up the participants menu by clicking on the participants on the Zoom menu. And from here, I'm going to click on the three dots in the bottom right corner of my screen. And just like that, I can turn on play sound when someone joins or leaves. If you turn that on, now when someone enters, you're going to hear a little bell and you can let them in. If you want to turn this on as a setting for all your meetings, then you have to log into your Zoom account online, and I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Okay, so what you're taking a look at now is my zoom.us account. I am logged into my account, and I'm going to go down to settings from the left. And while I'm here, there are lots of different Zoom settings here, but the one I'm looking for is for sound. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to search for the word sound. And just like that, you're going to see this, which says sound notification when someone joins or leaves. I'm going to turn this on and it's going to do exactly that. And it's asking you a few more things. Play sound for everyone or just for the host and co-host. I normally keep it as that because I don't really want it to interrupt other people. If they're in the middle of saying something, the sound notification turns on. And that's it. I'm going to hit save and there you have it. So now all future meetings that you open with Zoom, this setting will be enabled. I hope this helps. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the like button. If you think this will benefit someone else, do share it on your social media or with family and friends. See you next time.